Flexus X Instance is a next-generation flexible compute service designed for SMEs and developers. It provides flexible compute cloud servers with intelligent awareness of service workloads. It is a good choice for medium and light workloads, such as e-commerce live streaming, enterprise website setup, development and testing environments, game servers, and audio and video services. Flexus X instances are similar to ECSs, but have unique features. For example, Flexus X instances have more flexible vCPU to memory ratios and support performance mode. Compared with Flexus L, Flexus X offers more public images, more flexible specifications, and higher load capacity. This video shows how to purchase and log in to a Flexus X instance. The procedure is as follows. Make preparations. Set purchase parameters. Confirm the settings and purchase the instance. Log into the instance using VNC. Before purchasing a Flexus X instance, sign up for a Huawei ID and enable Huawei Cloud Services. Step 1. Purchase a Flexus X instance. Enter your Huawei Cloud account name and password to log in to the Huawei Cloud Console. In the service list, select Flexus X instance. Click Buy Flexus X. Select a billing mode as required. Yearly or monthly is a prepaid billing mode. You pay in advance for a subscription term, and in exchange, you get a discounted rate. The longer the subscription, the bigger the discount. It is a good option for long-term, stable services. Pay per use is a post-paid billing mode. You only pay for what you use, and you are billed based on the usage duration. It is suitable when the resource demands are likely to fluctuate and you want to create or delete instances anytime. For lower network latency and quicker resource access, select the nearest region. You can enable performance mode to get assurance for the superb stable performance. You can adjust the vCPUs and memory based on service requirements. Flexus X instances support public images, private images, and shared images. Huawei Cloud UltraOS 2.0 images can accelerate typical applications. You can enable application acceleration as needed. Set storage parameters, including the system and data disks. You can set the EVS disk type and size, or add one or more data disks as needed. If you select Share, the data disk is a shared EVS disk and can be attached to multiple cloud servers. Set network parameters. Select an available VPC and subnet from the drop-down lists, and specify how a private IP address will be assigned. You can add multiple extension NICs to an instance and specify IP addresses for them, including the primary NIC. Select an existing security group from the drop-down list or create a new one. A security group controls access to instances within and between security groups to improve security. You can define access rules for a security group to protect the instances in this group. Set an EIP as required. A Flexus X instance with an EIP bound can access the Internet through the fixed public IP address. Configure associated services as required. If you enable CloudEye, an agent will be automatically installed on your instance to provide fine-grained monitoring of its metrics, such as vCPUs, memory, network, disks, and processes. Set the Flexus X instance name. Select the password or key pair login mode. Cloud Backup and Recovery lets you back up disks and instances and use the backups to restore data. After you set Cloud Backup and Recovery, the system associates the instance with the Cloud Backup Vault and applies the selected backup policy to periodically back up the instance. Set advanced options as required, including the description, tag, agency, and Flexus X group. Click Next, Confirm. On the displayed page, confirm the settings. If you are an enterprise user, select an enterprise project from the drop-down list. If billing mode is set to yearly or monthly, you need to set the required duration. If billing mode is set to pay-per-use, you can select Set Scheduled Deletion Time and set a specific time for deleting the Flexus X instance. Set the number of Flexus X instances to be purchased. You can purchase them in a batch. Read and agree to the agreement and disclaimer. Click Submit and complete the payment if needed. Click back to Flexus X instance list. If the instance status is running, the instance is successfully created. Step 2. Log in to the Flexus X instance. You can use VNC to log in to the instance on the console. Locate the row containing the target instance and click Remote Login in the Operation column. In other login modes, click Login. Enter the username and password as prompted. For system security, the password you are entering is hidden by default. After you enter the correct password and press Enter, you can successfully log in to the instance.